In this video, I'm going to show you how this man makes money online. This old man. If if my parents, if I tell my parents start something, or if you tell your parents start something, normally they'll say, "Oh, I've passed that age. I'm getting old. Oh, I'm this. I've passed that level. I'm not a kid that's doing social media. I'm not this. I'm not that. It's your time. You're younger. You're this." Social media doesn't look at age, bro. Social media doesn't look at age. See, they'll criticize us saying, "Oh, see your mates, they are making it," but they don't look at their age. Their age is that they are on their 50s, on their 60s, on their 70s. This man is an elderly man. Is creating content, and I respect that man. I respect him. A big respect. But them people at his age, they prefer to do a 9 to 5. That's when they have the pride to say, "Oh, I'm not supposed to enter online. That is low. That is not good. That is childish. That is for small kids." No. Then when the small kids blow up, they'll say it's illegal money. But you're supposed to follow the script, the what people do, copying what people do, do what the rest people do what is trending, do what has been accepted in this day and age. So this man gets a lot of views. He has 2.8 million subscribers, 5 million views, 3 million views, 3 million views, 3 million views. Man is killing it, and is an elderly man. 2 million views, 2 million views. This kind of man supposed to be like relaxing at home, being his pension, in 9 to 5 pension, right? That is stupid thinking. That is stupid reasoning. You get me? Let's see how much this man could probably make. So for people like if another man is watching this video, take action. Take action as I'm speaking to you now. Start recording yourself. Don't feel proud. Don't feel too big. You understand me? So respectfully though, respectfully, create content. You're not tired of having debts. You have accumulated debts over the age, the year, over the years, decades, bro. Sorry, sir. With due respect, create some content if you're watching, and also this for the younger lads. You guys too, create content. So let's see how much this man makes. This man makes nothing less than 162,000 euros per month, bro. 162,000 euros per month. Could be less low, maybe 70, half of this, but it's a lot of money. It's a lot. Someone that's supposed to be open inspection. So, bro, you understand me? I'm joking though, but man was smart. He hopped on the right opportunity. So there's a lot. 100. He could literally afford a Range Rover every month, two Range Rovers every month. Buy it every month. That is 24 Range Rovers every year. There's a Range Rover here in the ad. So, bro, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. There's plenty of cash. This man is making money more than you. You need to be ashamed of yourself. I'm not, no disrespect. I'm not disrespecting this man, but I'm trying to make you wake up. You're young, your blood is hot, so you need to make more cash. More cash make you more masculine. Yeah, make you more masculine. You'll be more of a man when you can provide for the family. You get me? So, bro, if this, if you want to know what people don't know, click the second link in description. That's you can clear your doubts and you'll be in the top 10% of people at least. But if you take action, you'll be in the top 1%. If you click the link and take action, you'll be in the top 1%. Click the link, be in the top 10. Top 1% is better, I guess. So take action. As for me, I'm out.